When building a model, you may want to add documentation to one or more of the variables by giving them a brief description. In Map View, double-click on the variable you want, and the panel will open. In Map View, only the documentation panel is available. You will have other panels available in Map View and in Model View. Simply click into the documentation area and start typing the description of that stock you want. So for this stock, we're going to say current population. You can also use color to organize or provide visual cues for your model. For example, if you were modeling a population of pink flamingos, you may color the population stock pink. To change the color of any variable, select the variable, and then in the panel settings, you will see a style settings denoted by the paint roller. Select the paint roller, and then go up to colors and select whichever color you'd like. And then you will see that the stock has turned that color.